You're right. I know who it is.
I'm new to the game.
Me? Alright, I see you. Yo, chick.
I thought it was me, man.
Hey you. Can I join y'all? I'm new to the game.
Yeah. Come to mine.
Kaden,
How
why
you
you
play?
abandon me, man?
Legit.
Oh, I'm sorry, no! Man, why you
This is literally rivals we are. Oh my controller.
cheerful as buns? I don't like that, man. Matthew
What the heck?
decent chicken nugget.
Hello.
Buns.
Where's the kid that was orange one
the
at
button.
me?
That guy's buns right
Match
there.
found.
What's up, guys? I'm purple. Why am I red?
Match starting.
Yo, why do we got a sniper?
That's the
Round
weapon
starting.
of choice this map. Match.
Ouch. Oh.
Damn it.
That's darn it. I'm dog water.
I don't
I'm
care.
dog water, bro.
I'm not here to win. I'm just here to play.
Round starting.
Yep. I'm here to learn. I just downloaded this game. God damn. One thing good. I'm dog water.
Round starting.
Yeah. Now I don't want a knife.
Damn it. I was reloading. Above you, above you. He's up. He's up. He's up. He's up. Up there. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
I'm just trying to learn how to play this game, bro.
Round starting.
Don't go to that. Do not go to that. It's a bomb. I accidentally.
Hello.
Ooh, I hit him.
You're nice. Go to. Gotta go back. Damn. A dog water, not gonna lie.
Round starting.
Yo, on the open spot. Should I die?
Gosh dang it.
Why am I so slow? GG's, bro. GG's. Oh, whoa, buddy.
Blah, 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 blah.
Looks like
Blah,
you,
blah,
baby
blah,
boy.
blah.
Press start. Press start.
We don't have enough players.
We don't have enough players, you bomb.
Now we do.
Match found.
What's up, guys? This
I've
is
won every single game I've played since I downloaded this. So
Hey.
Oh, where do I go? Where do I get my gun or my stuff?
you don't yet. We're not fighting in
Match
here.
starting.
Hey, I've won every game since I downloaded this game.
I don't care if you won every game since you downloaded this game. I'm just here to have fun.
How do I get my gun?
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
This guy's using his melee. What's he doing?
He's been asking, how do I get my gun? He doesn't know how to get his gun,
Round
buddy.
starting.
I got one. Ow.
Where they at? There's two more.
Kill him. Do not.
Oh my god, I'm like that. I'm like that. I'm like that. He just jumped me, bro. He just jumped me. And I still lived.
Round starting.
I just flew and jumped.
Watch out, bomb.
Oh. Oh, my monkey. This is my body.
Behind you. This way. Watch out.
Oh, box.
Bro, what is that scream? That does not sound like a scream.
Why do he scream
What?
like this? Why scream like
Round starting.
What's that music? Oh, I just flashbanged myself.
I'm blind.
Behind us.
Bro, my body can... Oh.
Shooting me, I'm black.
What? You can't shoot me. I'm not black enough.
Round starting.
I'm blind.
Box. Oh, I got hit.
I got... Huh?
That's a monkey, bro. It's just sitting in the trees.
No, you won't.
Wait, is it 4 right now?
Round starting.
It's 4-1. Watch out, bomb. Okay. Ow. Where was that from?
Box. Two box.
Bro, shut up.
Oh my god, this guy just came
Bro,
out.
what is this kid?
Dead.
Yeah,
That's where
we won.
he is.
Round one.
But we're about to lose most likely because we don't have shotguns.
Round starting.
And shotguns are a really good weapon. But these are far
know.
range. So
What is that? What is... No, what the...
alright, GG guys.
Good aim.
GG.
GG's.
What
Bro,
up, guys?
I hope you know this is all going on YouTube. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. I don't think he believes that I'm going to YouTube.
What's up?
Playing guys. Bro, can I be on your team? Never mind.
No.
You can be on my team.
I want to play.
Be on my team.
Me too.
You guys just
Be my
sound
team.
so cute.
No, do not be
No,
on
my
his team.
Why? Does he suck?
Be my team.
Yeah.
Go down.
I don't know. I've never played with him.
It's alright.
We need one more person over here. Uber!
We need one.
Get in.
This is not animal.
Get in.
They all right there over there. Look at that guy over
Let me cut your tail.
Shank. 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 I win.
Wait. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth. I'm gonna cut
I'm going to zombies, bro.
And you don't shut up.
there. Yeah, don't play zombies. That's infection.
Infection, same thing.
Yeah, and I'm getting cheese.
There's cheese on my toes.
I can't eat cheese. I mean the girl.
There's-
That's a guy. Yeah, it's a guy. I'm making you friends. I'm making you friends. Do it back to me. I dare you, brother. Do it back. Actually, I'll make it even more painful. I'll do it 10 times worse, bro. I'll do it 10 times. Why does everyone like me now? I'm just gonna kill myself by trapping. No, please, marry me. Female.
Marry me.
Just call me. Okay, you're a boy, girl.
There's cheese on my
Somebody
toes.
just call me Australian. I'm. Yes.
There's cheese on my toes.
No, please. Damn. Alright.
There's cheese on my toes.
I'm begging you, please.
Wait.
Bro needs it. Trust me. Bro needs it. I'm leaving. He needs it. I need it. Type shit. I need it. Can you fix my lighting?
Dude, it's a girl. It's two girls. Yeah, it's two girls.
It's female.
Two girls.
I told you it was female.
I am not a girl.
I told you it was female.
One more time, I'm going to crash out.
You're girl.
You're a girl. You're a big fat one as well.
Yeah, you're trans.
I love
Hey.
racism.
I'm killing everyone in my house now.
I see both of you. I saw both of you. Help.
Cheese. Who likes cheese?
Not me.
If you're trans, are you Transylvania?
I got some Cheetos.
Oh my
I love
God.
Transylvania.
I love
Transylvania.
You.
Everybody in my house.
I'm trans depending on what.
I live.
Survivors win.
I got cheese on my toes right now. I got cheese. Oh. What the?
I like your grandma.
I'm Mr. Keaton.
Right, listen. Guys, listen. If you like me. Oh shoot! I just dropped my damn. I don't like you.
You're a girl.
There's cheese on my toes currently. There's currently cheese on my toes.
Yeah. Bet. I'm all the way top.
Whoa! No, too many.
Get him.
Whoever's infected better not be one.
It's not him. It's trans. It's trans.
Oh,
it's a transformer. It's a transformer.
I can kill this dust guy.
Do it, guys. Come on.
What? I'm
Over
scared.
there!
Why are you
That's a gay monkey! Get him!
You are.
I'm gonna touch you, girl!
No, don't touch me. I'm not a girl as well.
I'm good. Whether you're a boy or girl, it doesn't matter.
Guys, come on.
Can I lick cheese off your toes?
Whoever likes me.
What?
No!
On me, bro. I got the best.
Don't hurt me! No! Now you can't date her.
I want your ass.
If you just did that, you're gay.
Oh, hey, give me your toes.
You get it?
I don't have to.
Infected win.
Infection.
I am slaughtering everybody,
Now,
man.
I shall put a bounty on myself.
Okay.
Please marry me.
You managed to make me fluster
Come on,
and get
come on.
20,000
Come on
V-Bucks.
top of this log if you want to marry me.
If you managed to fluster me.
You're
Come up on top of this log if you want to marry me. I'm just getting too many. If you
You managed to fluster me with 20,000
I'm gonna have to
V-Bucks.
choose between.
go kill yourself.
How
Nobody
many?
loves you. You're
Two.
gay.
Guys, come up here.
Round starting.
Who wants to lick the cheese off my toes?
All the way to the top.
Yep.
Oh, wait, hey, yo! He just said it. You mean it?
The cheese is absolutely edible.
Oh my god, don't scare me. Guys, listen, if you want to marry me, you have to protect me at all costs. If I get
I
don't.
A spider bit me and make me burn, man.
I know somebody that does.
You're gonna make me goo in my pants, bro. You wanna lick the
I
cheese
know
off my
somebody
toes?
that does. I know somebody that does.
I mean, defend them, yeah.
You wanna lick the cheese off my toes?
You're gonna make me goo in my pants.
What?
Bro.
Heck no, I'm gonna become a zombie and kill
You don't wanna lick the cheese off my
Wait,
pants?
please, I want a gay make it.
Just I'm gonna get gooed all over myself.
Captain,
I'm dead.
It's Captain.
Gangbang?
Is that you?
1,000 back.
Yes.
Someone, kill him. Okay, you guys.
Alright. British.
If I die, I'm gonna kill all of you guys.
Brit. I'm Brit. I have a. If you manage to fluster me, you get 20,000 V-Bucks plus a pound of cheese.
A spider bit me and hit me. Spider-Man, can you bite me?
20,000 V-Bucks plus a pound of cheese if you manage to fluster. Wait, I can do it. I'll let you lick the cheese off
I'm
my
a man.
toes.
I'm a warrior. I'm gonna kill them all.
You think I'm lying?
I'm a hunter.
Oh, city A.
Wait, guys, give me the ego.
I'm gonna kill this man.
I am male, not
I'm an
female.
assassin.
Not a femboy, just male.
I am.
I don't know. What are you wrong about?
Hi.
You scared me. I thought you were a zombie. You scared the crap out of me.
Single one of us.
Let me touch me, please. Let him touch me. I want to become it.
You want 20 pounds of cheese?
I want to become it. Let me become it.
20 more
Let me
pounds?
become it, man.
Yeah.
Come it.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Let's go. Give me the cheese. That's a femboy over there.
Hey, yo, get us. We're here. We're wide open for you.
Yep.
Me personally, come get us.
I'm gonna have to edit so many parts out this video.
I saw his shadow. Where are you? Come and get us.
I killed him before he stabbed me. What the fuck?
Please get me. I beg of you. I'm on my knees. Please.
You want me to get you?
Yes, please. Get me.
Yes, come get us.
Get me. I'm coming for you, girl.
Wait, can you give me 2?
Infected.
There's 4 dead people.
Get the female.
I
Get-
think you're correct. Just said. Hey, where's the female? Where's the female?
I don't know. That's why I'm saying get the female.
Don't kill the female.
We must find the female.
I don't give a fuck. It's crazy.
He's dropping my controller. My controller went under my bed.
I want
Fetch.
second.
Fetch the female.
No, I'm infected. The female's infected.
Dick or titties?
No, what?
Both.
Oh.
Good question. Yeah, good question. Come here! Hey, chill! Chill! I'm a sound wave.
3 of them.
Where is he? I may or may not.
I take all.
I hear you! 20 seconds left on the clock.
Get him!
Left on the clock. 20 seconds!
He's gooning right now. He's literally gooning.
It's all over the screen, I'm sorry. Ah, just... It's all over!
My controller.
We can't kill him!
Survivors win.
I'm so good. I'm the best. He can't win. I'm better. I promised you 300 times.
Everyone listen, I have a big announcement. Everyone, you must listen now. If you want to kiss me or marry me, go on the slog, because I need to do some divorce.
That's a man. I don't care who it is. It's something good. Are you female? Game
Game is crazy.
Okay.
This is all going on YouTube. This is all
Female or
going on.
male?
Guys, I'm well,
Is it she or he or it? Game is game. It doesn't matter. Is it a gooner or goonette?
Gooner or goonette.
I'm on the
Is it drippy?
It's both.
Damn. Shut up. Shut up. Are you a gooner or goonette?
Am I a gooner or goonette? Goonette.
I'm a gooner. Okay, so it's male. It doesn't have tits. I'm out.
No, I do.
It doesn't have tits. I'm out.
It doesn't have to
Kill
come
me!
out crazy.
Come and kill me! Get me!
I'm gonna have to cut out so many parts from this
Kill
video.
me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Go! Yes! Yeah, sounds like they're having fun. Out of here, girl! Guys, I think there's a female near me.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Tell me your location. I won't get you. It's right under me. It's right under me. I don't think it's right in front of me. It's right in front of me. Am I terrifying? No, you sound like a fucking gooner. You sound down bad. Oh shit! Down bad. I'm down bad. Yo, zombie. Hey, I'm not a gooner. I am not a gooner. I'm down bad for this. I am down bad. I am down bad for
I
this.
think I got the female
Help me.
guys.
Help me. I just fucking broke my finger. I'm not even fucking scared. I just broke my finger. You did.
Oh,
I want to goon on him. I'll still win tonight. I'll still win with a broken finger.
gooning.
I'm gonna mangle you! No, I'm already mangled. I'm already mangled. No, I need these. No, my balls. Strangle me or mangle me? I'm gonna mangle you! Oh my god. No, I fucking
Bro is going full alpha.
I'm gonna mangle you! Makes me want to go back right back to you.
Guys, whoever likes me, I have to go now. I have to go.
Oh, bye now. No one wants you to go ID, please.
Transformer.
Do you have...
Japan_Jacob, bet.
Do you have a tree? That's a male. Or plants? No, there's nothing. Do you have a,
Round starting.
Either way, I'm gonna mangle you guys. Either way. No, I don't feel like
I'll get you. No, you can kill people then. I thought you liked being
Oh yes! Oh yes, I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna be right here. I do not want my
Okay, I see you.
Infected.
I see you gooning on that corner right there.
What if I have for males?
They're gonna
mangle you!
yeah, he's gonna mangle you guys.
If it's not impregnable,
I'm an
I can't.
egoist.
I'm not eating.
Ito si Rainier! I found you, I followed you. I found you and I followed you, bro.
Killed my boyfriend. Do you see me, Nagi?
Wait, the guy who loves me. The guy who loves me. I just sent a follow. I just sent a follow.
Do you see me, Nagi?
I just sent you a follow, yeah.
Dude, we should make a rap song. You're the only one. I can rap because I'm black, but like I'm scared because of this motherfucker.
Let me kill you! If you kill me...
no, I don't want some boys, please.
I'm not a femboy, I'm a normal
No, I don't
boy.
want them boys, please.
Help,
it's trying to touch me. Help.
I'm a normal boy.
Help, please. I'm underage, I'm a minor, please, help.
I'm also underage.
Relatable.
I got one. So guys, I'll see you later. Boys,
Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I did that, man. How can you fucking do it? How are you not fucking sick?
bro, how am I not muted? I know how
That's
I am
exactly
not
what I'm
banned.
talking about. How are you fucking not muted yet?
Oh shit, man. I like children.
He just went to the crack. He came out of the closet. I came out the gooner closet. No way.
so close.
Oh, yes. I shoot it in my white. I shoot it in my white stuff everywhere. Hey, go away.
I was gonna go away, man.
I almost got him.
Jeez Louise.
Infected.
You goonered?
I got my.
You didn't goon, you goonered.
I got my first boyfriend.
What?
You know who it is?
That's rookie numbers. Not me. How is a girl though? Hey, go away. Can you please give me a headshot? Can the game please give me a headshot?
No,
I
don't wanna.
Minor, and I said, I'm a pedophile. Maybe you're not muted yet.
Locked in. Go pop the zone. Go pop the zone. No way! No way!
Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it all?
Me, I'll take it all.
All of it.
All of
Whole
it.
thing. I mean, bro! They both said it in the same time! Do not resist.
You.
I don't.
Give me all of
I
it.
don't.
Get back here. I want all of
I'm
it.
a normal citizen of society, and I like drinking. Citizen, help me!
I want all of it. No, don't leave.
Give me all of it.
Oh, shake.
This is not blue lock, bro. Do you see me, real? Do you see me, Nagi?
Not
I see you. I see you.
You're the only one for me!
Run.
I know we're all crazy.
Do you see me, Nagi?
This isn't blue lock. Go fuck off. Go watch basketball zero when you.
Let me give you a ball.
Go watch basketball. Go watch the basketball anime. Instead of soccer. Basketball better.
Guess what? I'm gonna touch you now.
Nah, I like basketball. Nah,
What
no,
the-
soccer.
Let me give him the balls. Come on, let me give him the balls.
What?
Guess what?
I like basketball, not soccer. He's dead as fuck.
I'm alive.
Wait, don't you wanna mangle
No.
them? Don't you wanna mangle them?
No.
I'll mangle you.
No, you gotta.
Goonology.
Goonology. What is this server, bro?
I'll mangle you.
It's not blue lock.
Egoist. Oliva. Oliva.
Bang overdrive.
Egoist.
I don't watch blue lock.
Ouch! That hurt, man.
Go away.
Hey, pal.
Big.
That's not nice.
Big.
I prefer this one. Yeah.
That's not nice, pal. You shouldn't shoot Mickey Mouse.
Fuck off.
Infected.
If you get to act like my little brother, then you'll never surprise me. You never will.
If you let us kill you, we'll
You
do-
was a spirit dying. That's even better, man.
I don't have siblings. I killed them all. My fault.
What?
I was balling too hard and then my fucking bust exploded everywhere. My fault. Fucking everyone kills me.
Win.
I'm about to shout the N word.
No, do not shout
Why
that.
not banned yet? Bro, I should be
Alright.
banned. I should be banned.
This next
I
round is
should
gonna be my last round, and then I'm gonna edit this video to not have all these inappropriate parts.
I'll mango you.
I'll mangle you.
And do you want? But please. Do you want to see the full video where everything happened? But like you know, like a warning sign.
Round starting.
Sure, I'll make a video with the full thing, but then that'll
So
only be
what's your YouTube? So you do YouTube, right?
yes, YouTube. But
The fact that he said, if I'm a minor, and I said, I'm a pedophile, and how am I not banned yet?
yeah, I'll make one that's edited for younger audience, and then one that's not what? Idiot? Wait. I need to tell you my YouTube chat. Ouch. Anyways, so
Well, your body blocked me. So what's your YouTube channel?
so it's your boy
Infected.
Mango, your boy _ Mango.
Wins.
And what? Did you get
Underscore mango. Underscore.
No,
like, boy underscore mango.
your boy
Your
_
boy
Mango.
Underscore mango.
And I have 4 videos currently. I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet, but
I quit YouTube like a long time ago, like
Yeah.
until like 2020. I quit.
I'll post a video with no edits and then one with edits.
Bro, the fact that I'm not even banned yet.
Yeah, how are you not banned yet?
I don't know. I think the game likes me. Oh, I think it's like giving me warnings. Like giving me warnings because last
I'll
time I
add
got banned 3 times. I got banned 3
so
times.
when I make the video too, I'm gonna put a warning sign for foul or
Fouling.
foul language.
Bro!
No, profane language to make it sound more professional.
Profanity.
Profaned language in this video. You have been warned. Watch at your own risk. Go ask your mom if you can watch this. I do not advise it. He's putting his hands up. Hold your fire.
I can't read. I understand the language, man. So if I
Loki.
stand like this and I stay right here, would you get me? Let's see if you knew. I do this and I shit behind me and then. Bro! That was my shot!
I'm sorry.
Look, if I shoot you
I
right
saw
here,
him.
look,
He's down there. He's right there.
if I shoot in the head, it makes a sound. I knew where he was. I'm Soundwave. Trust. He was right here.
Win.
Why do you say nothing?
I wasn't watching. My bad, gang.
Infected.
This is your last round, right? That was your last round?
Yeah.
Let me see
Alright.
the audience.